Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to hack Euro Truck Driver. For that, you have to download Lucky Patches from Chrome. Actually, it is not available on the Play Store. The version available on the Play Store are fake. For this, you should need a rooted device. You can root your device with KingRoot, rroot or vroot. And you have to download Euro Truck Driver from Google Play Store. Now, click on Lucky Patch. Click on Euro Truck Driver, open menu patches, support patch for in-app NELVL emulation. Click on it, just click on apply. It will take time like 2 to 4 minutes, and after that your game will be already hacked. After that you have to only do some steps. You can hack a game with Game Guardian also. It is same like Lucky Patcher, but Lucky Patcher is more better than Game Guardian. नहीं 2-3 मिनट और Now you have to click on launch. Now Euro Truck Driver is going to be open. Click on continue. It is going to be load. Now I'm going to open the store. You have to click on get money. Anyone you can choose from here. I will choose the highest one. Which is the highest one? This one. Click on. If you want to take this money back and back, you have to click on yes. If you don't want to take the money back and back, so you have to click on no. You don't have to click on this. You have to already press yes. Now click on yes. See, now the money has been credited. See here, you can see in the money down 5020643 euro. Like this we can hack many games like My Talking Tom Gold Run, Subway Surf, My Talking Angela, My Talking Tom, other games which are same like this. You can hack even Clash of Clans, Minimalation, etc. Thank you friends. Now please like this video and subscribe it. And now in the next video I will tell you many other games how to hack them by Game Garden or same as Lucky Patches or other things for hacking. Thank you.